Today, small businesses are struggling for revenue in the competitive world. Local markets have their limitations. The pandemic has hit millions of small business owners and made countless people jobless. How can we change this? The Indian Institute of E-Commerce has committed to support small business and entrepreneurs through constant mentorship and online programs to educate students, professionals, and business owners on the e-commerce solutions. Indian Institute of E-Commerce is India's leading integrated e-commerce business school for entrepreneurs and startups since 2015 and has an absolute authority on e-commerce certification, startup incubation, and business mentorship. We have helped thousands of businesses in selecting the right opportunity and in turn assisted various organizations in their international as well as domestic e-commerce business expansions. For any corporation, we specialize in offering end-to-end solutions through our services under feasibility study, business strategy, system development, brand communication, public relations, advertisement, and marketing and recruitment services. Number 1 B School for e-commerce and startups. 1,500 plus online business courses. Government of India recognized organization and registered as a Section 8 company under Companies Act 2013, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Created joint intellectual property with top e-commerce companies such as Alibaba, Amazon, etc. Partnered with Tata Group and trained 50,000 plus SMEs students. With our programs, you gain a great brand visibility with Indian Institute of E-Commerce logo. IGNITOR is a program launched by Indian Institute of E-Commerce. It aims at providing mentoring support to the young entrepreneurs and students to launch their successful e-commerce business careers. We help global businesses in accessing the Indian market via e-commerce store development, company registration, warehousing, local representation, India-specific e-commerce mentorship, Indian market behavior statistics, connecting with government heads, accounting support, guaranteed sales via thousands of local affiliate store developments across India. IIEC Institute has trained thousands of students all across India with the help of its E-Learning LMS Platform. We shall work together on a common goal to empower students to achieve greater success and contribute in the development of the nation. Our programs are designed for students as well as job seekers to increase their skill and practical aspects of modern e-commerce business. We give them a chance to earn a valuable certificate from Indian Institute of E-Commerce with mentoring and support. We are looking forward to partnering with your esteemed organization for creating joint programs about e-commerce, its opportunities, and teaching students about entrepreneurship through our online courses and support. To get more information, please see our website. Join the IGNITOR with us.